Not too often I get to see a tank close up. It's here at the VFW in Holly Ridge. So I thought I'd take a look at it while I'm here. I was delivering flowers to a couple for their anniversary. They also have a shooting range in the back. But I'm more interested in the tank. So I wanted to get a close-up view of it. I've always been interested in military, even though I was never in it. My dad was in the Army. My brother was in the Navy. I wanted to go to the Air Force, but they wouldn't take me. So I'm also intrigued about the military, and I support them. So just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of that. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the next journey.